What is the meaning of car insurance? It covers you, your car, and any others involved in an accident. It includes all the cover of a third-party fire and theft policy, but also protects you as a driver and might pay out for damage to your car. It might also include a compensation for medical treatment, legal expenses, and accidental damage. What are the three main types of car insurance? There are three main types of car insurance available: third party, fire and theft, and fully comprehensive. What is the main reason for car insurance? It protects you, your vehicle, and other motorists against liability in case there is an accident. It provides financial compensation to cover any injuries caused to people or their property. What's the cheapest type of car insurance? However, fully comprehensive over is usually the cheapest type of car insurance, even though it offers the most cover out of the three policy types. Which car insurance type is best? Comprehensive car insurance. This type of car insurance provides the most protection because it covers third-party liability, damage to one's own car, personal accident coverage, and all non-collision damage, such as storms, floods, fire, and theft. Why insurance is important? Insurance plans will help you pay for medical emergencies, hospitalization, contraction of any illnesses, and treatment care required in the future. The financial loss to the family due to the unfortunate death of the sole owner can be covered by insurance plans. How does insurance work? Insurance is the transfer of risk. It transfers the risk of financial losses as a result of specified but unpredictable events from an individual or entity to an insurer in return for a fee or premium. If a specified event occurs, the individual or entity can claim compensation or a service from the insurer. What is the function of insurance? The main function of insurance is that eliminates the uncertainty of an unexpected and sudden financial loss. This is one of the biggest stories of a business. Instead of this uncertainty, it provides the certainty of regular payment, i.e. that premium to be paid. Why you need car insurance? Car insurance gives you financial protection in the event of an accident, and some types also cover claims arising from injuries to other people. If you own a roadworthy car, you legally need at least a basic level of cover called third-party insurance, even if you didn't drive it. The only exception is if you wafflessly register your car as off the road with a statutory off-road notification SORN. Penalties for driving without insurance range from a fine and at least 6 points on your license to being disqualified from driving. You might also have your car taken off you. Is car insurance a legal requirement? Yes, it's a legal requirement too. Have an insurance policy in place if you own any roadworthy vehicle. It provides financial protection if you have an accident, and it can cover injuries to other drivers, pedestrians, and passengers in your car. Can I get car insurance for a month? Most standard, traditional car insurance policies are taken out for a full year. There are alternatives, for example, RAC temporary car insurance can be taken out for a short period of time, from 1 or up to 30 days. No long-term contract or a pay-as-you-go policy, like our EC pay-by-mile car insurance, where you pay a parked premium and then only for the miles you drive on a rolling contract. What does car insurance cost? The cost of car insurance will vary according to your individual situation. For example, where you live, your age, the car you're insuring, and any previous driving convictions you might have. See what you could be paying me doing a quick car insurance quote. Can I get refused car insurance? Yes, if it's lawful, an insurance provider can deny you an insurance policy. This means if a provider views you unfavorably, they can refuse to offer you an insurance policy, making it harder to use or enjoy your car. Does being unemployed affect car insurance? Does car insurance cost more if you're unemployed? Unfair as it might seem, the answer is often yes. Without a job, insurance providers may consider you a higher risk. This can hike up cost come renewal time. Can car insurance check your job? Insurance companies don't typically ask for specific supplement information, but they may do in some circumstances or when a claim is made. If you aren't accurate and honest with your insurer about your occupation, you could invalidate your cover. Can I check if someone else's car is insured? It may be possible to check if someone else's car is insured using the motor insurance database's other vehicle lookup service. Can insurers check accident history? Will an insurance provider find out about my claims history? Yes, most car, home, and travel insurance providers send information to Q, which stores the details for 6 years. Insurance providers get your claims history from Q. Undo this to calculate the cost of your premium. What happens if I don't tell my insurance company about an accident? Failing to inform them could have repercussions on your insurance. It may even be canceled. And if a claim is made against you, by not reporting the accident to your insurer may result in the insurer recovering any payments it is required to make from you. Do I have to tell my insurance they had an accident? Yes, you need to declare all accidents that you're involved in, regardless of who or what was at fault. Almost every insurance company will have a clause in their policy requiring you to declare any incidents you've been involved in while driving in the past 5 years. How long do you have to tell insurance about accident? If you're involved in an accident, you must tell your insurance company as soon as possible. Most insurers specify that you must inform them within 2 to 4 hours of the incident. What is an advantage of car insurance? It covers you, your car, and any others involved in an accident. It includes all the cover of a third-party fire and theft policy, but also protects you as a driver and might pay out for damage to your car. It might also include compensation for medical treatment, legal expenses, and accidental them. What is the most important function of insurance? Provide protection. The primary purpose of insurance is to provide protection against future risk, accidents, and uncertainty. Insurance cannot check the happening of the risk, but can certainly provide for the losses of risk. Thanks for watching.